Ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize your study routine? Dive into a world where technology meets textbooks and discover the top 5 benefits of using AI to ace your exams. 1. Personalized learning. AI adapts to your learning style, focusing on topics you struggle with and reinforcing your strengths. It's like having a private tutor available 24/7. 2. Efficiency. AI can streamline your study sessions, filtering out irrelevant information and highlighting key points. No more sifting through pages of notes. 3. Accessibility. With AI, you can learn anywhere, anytime. All you need is an internet connection and a thirst for knowledge. 4. Interactive learning. AI makes studying engaging, incorporating quizzes, flashcards, and interactive diagrams to keep you on your toes. And 5. Progress tracking. AI monitors your progress, providing valuable insights into your learning journey. It's like a personal academic coach. So ready to embrace the future of education? Remember, with AI, the world is your classroom. Study smarter, not harder. Until next time, stay curious.
Your journey to academic brilliance begins now. Subscribe now. Hit that subscribe button to stay at the forefront. Your grades will thank you. Level up with AI. Subscribe, like, share,